Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove lock screen text in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, put lock screen in your phone and see here. This is the text that I have added on lock screen. Okay, suppose if you have added any text on your lock screen, later now if you would like to remove that lock screen text, so if you don't know what to do, just follow this video. Just go to the settings of your phone here, go to settings, then here select lock screen and wallpaper, and here select lock screen settings, and here just select add text on lock screen and just remove this text, delete this text and click on OK by keeping it empty and click OK. Now go to lock screen and see the changes. Lock screen text has been removed from my phone. So in this way you can easily remove lock screen text in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.